Hi there, students. Au courant. Au courant. This comes from French. It's an adjective. It just means up to date, that you know about the latest developments. You're abreast of things. So the best way to stay au courant with the news is to read an online newspaper, for example. Yeah, to stay in the loop, to be in touch with what's going on. So I just want to make sure that everybody in this meeting is au courant with the latest changes, and like that, we're all on the same page and we know where we're starting from. You could also be au courant with a system. You could be conversant with it. You could know it quite well. So I'm fairly au courant with auctions, for example. I know what happens. I know the things that go on at various different levels. So notice, to be au courant with something, or to be au courant about something. This we use especially with knowledge or with current affairs. So, I don't know, if you produce a book about something, maybe 5 or 10 years later, you're going to have to release a new edition that is au courant with the latest changes. It's fully up to date. Yeah, so I guess those of you who speak French are completely au courant with the meaning of this word. So up to date with, acquainted with, knowledgeable about, well informed about, conversant with, up to speed. Yeah, I guess you could say au fait with as well. I think au fait means you know it. It's something that you know. Where au courant, you are au fait with the latest details. Yeah. So yeah, you are in the know. Yeah, you know what's happening. You can also use au courant to talk about fashion. So the way that he dresses is very au courant. I love his au courant shoes. I think, me personally, I'm anything but au courant, but well, that's the way I am. Yeah. So to be up on the latest trends, to be cognizant of what's happening, of the changes that are going on. Yeah, so you're up to date, or you can be stylish. You're au courant as well. You're fully aware. You're fully informed. Okay, if you want to stay au courant about what's happening, then you need to go to the meetings. Yeah, so he's au courant with this. So formality. It sounds a little bit literary, a little bit formal. I think I'm going to give it a 6. I think you could use it informally, but in a posh setting, yeah. And I think probably better au courant spoken at in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing. Would I use it in something very formal? Yeah, I think I might, just because using French in English is normally quite a posh thing to do. Okay, and then as to origin, well, as I said, it comes from French, au courant, literally to the current. Yeah, but that or in the regular course of things, you're in the flow of things, so you actually know what's happening. So, having watched the video, you will now be au courant with the meaning of au courant. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Au courant.